Hey guys, Andrew here from the warehouse in Salt Lake City doing my January roll call. Hope everybody had some great holidays, and I am looking forward to this new year. A couple things that I wanted to let everybody know about is we did change our shipping method, our shipping keys for the orders coming out of Salt Lake City. Prior to this change, we were sending out from Salt Lake City about 20 to 30% via UPS. After the change, which was the beginning of December, it's moved to about 1% UPS, which has actually impacted our shipping costs drastically. As you can see here, from November 4th to December 4th, right before that change was made, we had a negative shipping revenue, negative $6,351. And our total cost for shipping was just under 50K. After the change was implemented, the last 30 days, we have a positive. Uh, Dropped our shipping cost almost 10K, which is a huge win for here in Salt Lake City, which I'm super ecstatic about. So that's awesome news, and I'll keep you guys up to date of how we do the next 30 days. Uh, what we've done December, right after Thanksgiving, we placed quite a few small POs, hoping just to keep our stock levels of our most popular items up and in stock rather than out of stock, so we can keep moving orders coming out of Salt Lake City, the percentage coming out up rather than going up and down. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. I think that we are going to continue to do that for a while and see if that does have that positive impact that we're hoping for. And then finally, I'm looking forward to seeing Clay, Drew, and Sherry middle of this month. Hopefully, we're going to look into some larger warehouse options. But yeah, if anybody needs to get a hold of me, feel free to ping me on Slack, send me an email, and I will get back. But I hope everybody's having a great start to their new year. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.